Welcome to InstaFollowers YouTube channel. Today we will want to show you our Instagram username checker tool. This tool is entirely free. It lets you to see if your desired username is available on Instagram. Using our simple and fast tool, you can check whether the name you want has already been taken in just a few steps. It is perfect for those who wish to create a new account or change their current handle to something more unique and personal. The online Instagram username checker has been designed to ensure that finding available usernames on Instagram is as easy as possible. In today's world, everyone must have an original and catchy nickname for their social media profiles because these days, personal branding and often beings in such accounts. They are also crucial in achieving business recognition and establishing oneself on different communication platforms beyond email addresses alone. Whether you have created a first ever online persona or rebranding yourself under an alternative identity as an existing user, this is the first time any other person should have used the same name, according to our username checker. So that's why we are here for you. And let's talk about the steps. Enter the username in the designed input field to be verified. Verify that the name you provide contains all capital letters and special characters precisely as you want to use them. Click the check button to start the search after entering the required username. In order to ascertain whether the name is available, our programs will swiftly search Instagram database. See the results right away, including the username is accessible or taken. A clear notification letting you know whether the username is still available for recognition, for registration, or has already been taken will appear. With the help of our tool, you may do many tests and keep looking for the ideal username until you discover it. And that's it. As you can see, the steps are simple. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.